Yeah, like I was saying. BAM! Yeah, we in the building. We in the yeah. But you know what I'm saying, like I was saying though, you know, little crispy little things like that. Now,
You got the Delta Max? Oh, okay. I see how you do it. It's official.
what's that little Gucci bag?
That's how it's done. You know what I'm saying? We do that all the way out to BDC, you know. Swag and Jim's driven.
Oh.
That's exclusive.
That's exclusive.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? We still in the building, though.
Are you still?
Yeah, we in the building.
Oh, okay.
Wait. This too hot for TV. Turn the camera this way. Take it up. Turn it. Sign off.
Anybody else got something to say?
Oh yeah, man, you know what it is, man.